Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and this is an expected delivery. Right, let's get it open, and then we'll make sure it is what I think it is, but I'm pretty sure it is, and then we'll see more details about it. Let's get this cut open. I put a new blade in my knife the other day, so it's very, very sharp. Remember to keep it well out of the way. Right, let's see. Make sure there's no personal information on in anything. I've covered up my address, but let's have a look. Right, yeah, it is what I thought it was. Right, this has been very kindly sent to me by Colin over at Festa67s Workshop. As some of you may know, I've been building the R2D2, and I picked up the half-scale C3PO. Which I've repainted, and I'm in the process of finishing off and making videos of that. Please turn over because he thinks I'm an idiot. So basically, I've repainted it, and I thought it'd be really cool if I could give him a voice. Now I'm rubbish with things like that, but Colin knows a thing or two about soundboards, and I asked him, could he help me out, sort one out, and he said, yeah, no problem, and he's done one for me and sent it to me. And sent me instructions. Remove the white tab from the battery, press the green button, make sure you're going to look green. If you want better sounds, press and hold the red to record. Right, so he's made this up for me. And I literally know nothing about how it works or anything like that, so we'll see what happens. Right, what does it say? Remove the white tab from the battery. Right, I know that bit, I can figure that bit out. I can even get that bit out. There we go. Right, so he's even put batteries in there as well. I thought I might have to figure out a power supply for it, but nope. Right, don't do the red one because I'm going to see what he's done, and we'll see what happens. Press the green button. I can't hear anything. Colin, I might have broken it already. Right, it's not doing anything. Colin, help. It's got a microphone on there, that's obviously that one for that. Batteries are in there. Right. Thanks very much, Colin. I will have to figure out how it works. But that apparently... It works now. Right, I don't know why it worked then. Maybe I wasn't pressing the button right.
Hello, sir. I am C3PO Human Cyborg Relations. It's against my programming to impersonate a deity.
There you go.
R2D2, where are you? They're heading in this direction. What are we going to do? We'll be sent to the spice mines of Kessel or smashed into who knows what.
Oh, got a bit of R2 in there as well. Right, I might not have been pressing the button hard enough or something. We'll figure that one out. I'll try it again. Yeah, that doesn't seem to have worked there, but if you push it... There's something not right somewhere. Maybe one of the connections isn't quite right on this button. It might have got damaged in transit. I'll figure it out. Thank you, Colin. Thank you very much. I'll try and figure out what's gone wrong with it, but it does work. I've heard it. There's a little bit of squash there, so it might have got squashed a little bit in transit. So hopefully I can correct that and make it all good. But I shall get that fitted to the 3PO and then figure out how I'm going to do the rest of the 3PO. I've got a little bit more weathering to do on him. But almost there, and then the video for that will be up and available. So yeah, go and check out Colin's stuff. Festa67s Workshop. I'll put a link in the description as well. Go and check out his stuff, and as I say, he's done a lot of stuff with sound and boards on it already, so really good stuff. Thanks a lot, Colin. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. I figured it out. One of the battery contacts was a bit off. So I've adjusted that and it seems to work now. I'll put the mic down and you can hear it. Press the button.
Hello, sir. I am C3PO Human Cyborg Relations. It's against my programming to impersonate a deity. R2-D2, where are you? They're heading in this direction. What are we going to do? We'll be sent to the spice mines of Kessel or smashed into who knows what. We're doomed.
Yeah, so happy now. It works fine. Lovely. Thanks, Colin.